Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and use pivot table in Excel to analyze your data quickly and efficiently. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Let's get this started. So, what exactly is a pivot table? It is a super handy tool in Excel that lets you summarize and analyze large amount of data in just a few clicks. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of rows, a pivot table helps you organize everything neatly. Let me show you how. Alright, here is how pivot runs. Select your data. Insert pivot table. Choose whether you want it in a new or existing worksheet. Hit OK. That's it. Your pivot table is ready to be customized. Now it comes to fun part. Arranging your data. You will see a pivot table preview panel where you can drag and drop view. Product drag to rows. Sales drag to values. Region drag to columns. See how easy that was. Now we have a clear summary of our sales by product and region. How to focus specific data? Just use filter option at the top of your pivot table. And if you want to sort numbers, right click any value and choose sort largest to smallest. Super useful. Want to make your data even easier to understand? Let's add the pivot chart. Just click from your pivot table, go to pivot chart, pick a style, and there you go, instant data visualization. Here you can filter your data like this. Let's make it look good. Head over to the design tab and try out different styles. A well-formatted table not only look better but also make your data easier to read. And that's it. You just learn how to create and use pivot table in Excel like a pro. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.